How to use coins on AliExpress. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to AliExpress or simply open the AliExpress app on your phone, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to my coins, and as you can see here I have 40 coins, and every day you can basically claim those coins. Now on the app there are more ways to earn these coins, so if you want you're gonna have to simply download the app. As you can see, discover more ways to earn coins on the AliExpress app, but on computer you can earn coins by claiming those daily. Now as you can see, 40 coins saves me this amount of money. Now I can use those coins basically to get a discount. So if I go to AliExpress and then I choose to buy something, so I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna go with a random product. Let me choose a random product from here. So I'm gonna go with this one here. So after you choose your product, you're gonna have to choose the color, the type, and then simply click on buy now. Now as you can see here where it says saved, if we click on this, as you can see, they automatically used our coins. Now if you want you can disable this if you want to keep your coins, but if you want you can simply use them and then you can place your order. So basically this is how you can use coins on AliExpress. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.